Yo, what's up, guys? So, pretty big news on the 135i. Actually, yesterday I went ahead and got it running. So, I was able to turn it on. There's still a few things here and there I got to finish off. I do have one oil leak. I got to finish off my coolant stuff and a bunch of other shit that I'll be fabricating. I just want to get it running for now. So, there's some stuff that I won't fully finish, but I'll probably be able to take it out for a drive today, finally. So, I'll kind of show you guys where I'm at on that car. And then, well, now that I'll be kind of done with that car for now, I'm also going to be probably doing videos on this car, on my E30, the n54 turbo swap. So there's a lot of content coming up on this as well. But I'll go ahead and show you guys what I have done on the 135i for now. And then hopefully I'll be able to take you guys along on first drive. I still have a few things that I got to do. Right now I'm currently doing the vacuum lines for the wastegates. I got my max cylinder right here. I still got to go. It's gonna go right onto here just like so. And I'm using brake lines. And everything's getting flared. And then I do have some adapters, like so, like this. That'll take it from a flare end, like this, flare compression fitting, onto just a regular threaded. I'm not exactly sure what those are called, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be using, so I don't have any vacuum leaks on the side of the turbo. Then I got that fully done. You can see I got my charge pipe over there, and then I have my turbo. I think it's still a charge pipe, but they're all welded up nicely. This everything should have any kind of leaks or anything. I still got to do my final plan is to do a full thing that goes from all here all the way to around here. That I can have my coolant reservoir, power steering reservoir, and my catch can all one single piece, and fabricate that. I actually got a big sheet of aluminum to do that. But just for timely reasons, for now I will be using my stock one, which I just spray painted wrinkle black. Just looks a little bit better. It matches everything else a lot better since that's wrinkle black. My power steering reservoir that I have right now is wrinkle black, so it will just match a little better. But pretty much everything's done like that. I'll show you guys some more details in another video once it's actually fully done. But I still got to make a bracket for the intercooler since I've been holding with that right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up, wrap everything up, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys and take it for a test drive. Alright guys, sorry it's super windy outside, sorry about that. But as you can see, I got the car running. I still got to do a few things to finish up. The car's on. I'm about to take it for a drive right now. See how she does, but yeah, I got it. I made a bracket right there for the intercooler, and yeah, everything else is pretty much done. I do have a small leak right there that I just noticed on my oil thermostat, the Mishimoto oil thermostat. Other than that, I think everything is fine. You guys will go ahead and take it for a drive, so I'll see you guys along that. You see, I got a shit ton of lights on the engine display. The half of those lights are just for all the wires I have unplugged for the ABS and stuff like that. So I think I'll be fine though. So we'll go ahead and drive it. All temps are good. It's been on for a little while, so let's see how she does. It is a bit loud, but I mean, hopefully the cops don't mind. So that's that. Twin disc clutch gripping pretty bad. I'm gonna have to get used to that a little bit. clouds, a sheriff, and a cop from right here. So far, we're doing fucking good. So, fingers crossed we don't get pulled over. But we already passed 2 cops, a sheriff and a city cop. So far we're doing good. Fuck yeah. So this is gonna be it for today's video. I just want to go ahead and show you guys what I had done in the car so far and take it out for a drive. So far, you just saw the video. We passed 2 cops and none of them even turned around or even looked. So I don't think the car is that loud, but I think we should be fine. But yeah, still gotta do a old cash can and get all that stuff sorted out. So, and then my power steering, that's kind of stupid, so might have to fix that as well. And then finish up the wirings for the wheel speed sensors, the tire pressure sensors, and then put the bumper back on, and we'll be done with all that. And next thing up we'll be doing is going to be the custom coolant reservoir, custom power steering reservoir, and the cash can. I'm going to make it all one piece, so it looks really nice. In the engine bay, I also got a few carbon pieces that are going to go onto the car on the engine bay to clean it up a little bit. And I'm also going to do the M3 cabin air filter as well. So once again, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and make sure to subscribe. And you're a returning subscriber, once again, thanks for watching. Peace out.